Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok permissions. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok permission, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you'll enter to the window of TikTok. Then here in this page of app info, we click on the first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. When you find this list of this sign of Wi-Fi will turn off, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. If you can click here update to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.